live. And if my sound is not clear, just let me know, okay? For joining to the session of live stream. Thank you very much for joining to the session of. Okay, the sound quality looks clear, by the way. It's looking like clear, by the way. And if there is any issue on my sound, just let me know, okay? Okay, I'm gonna close these things. Those has been done. Of course, we have been made some crazy profit by the Ethereum. Absolutely, yes, we have done that. And in here, if I go with the Ethereum USDT chart over there, and I'm gonna go to the 15 minutes chart. Kerry21, thank you so much for joining here. Imuzufa joins to the live stream. Get user CF969047 joins to the live stream. And Oliva420 joins to the live stream. Jane Shardar joins to the live stream. Ilowardi www7799 joins to the live channel. Thank you so much for enjoying the session of live stream. And over that price, if I go with that Ethereum, of course, definitely, you can see over there at the 15 minutes chart what they are into. If I go with this one, yes, it has been broken out. Right now, currently trading like this manner, trading over this price. Isn't that? Yeah, it is. And after breaking out, it has not been pumped a lot. It's still going downward, and creating downward sentiments. And as we can see out there, we have no we don't have any RSI supports to. So RSI is not giving us any confirmation of a divergence. Absolutely not. So Ethereum is looking like, okay, if I go with zoom it more in like this, okay, what is the percentages? Just let me check it out. What is the percentage of a swing? Like it's 1.9. It's huge, man. Though it has been taking a lot of time, like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, 4 or 5 hours for a swing, but it is okay. By the way, let me see. Yeah, we have some bullish divergence over there, and we have been seeing that it has been broken out this previous range. Well, we don't have any swings, by the way. We don't have a swings, but if I go with that one, just hold a bit. If I go with that one, like just a bit, okay. If I go with this range over there, so maybe we can have a support over that price. We have Batsha112 to join to the live session. Niwabi Enterpriser, thank you so much for enjoying to the session of live stream. And we can see over there if we have any divergence in that range, that case too. No divergence in that case, by the way. We just have a divergence in that case, of course. I'm gonna delete that one. And Crypto News, what's up? Juling joins to the live channel. Hey, what's up, Juling? I'm gonna delete that one. And everybody joining here to the session of live stream, thank you so much. Rashidul001, thanks for joining to the session of live stream. Well, we can see over there it has been broken out, of course, definitely. And my question is, what's next? If I go with that Ethereum, of course, definitely I need to go for a Fibonacci retracement tool over there. I don't know where it's gonna go take its rejection, but it's a correction is required. There is not a bigger correction, that's a smaller correction, sorry. There is not a huge level of bigger correction. That was a small correction and going like this manner. And I need to go for a bigger correction, like 50% in here, and after that go boom. I personally think that. It's my opinion. Okay. But if the market comes down to there, we can have a smaller target, of course, definitely. It will take, like, if it is touching this range, we'll have our smaller target, like 59%, 0.59%, something. That will be the first scalping target over there. Dark Buy joins to the session. Don't worry, stay steady. Thank you so much for joining here. Nice name. You guys have a good names and nice names, buddy. Well, as per Bitcoin has been broken out, and of course at the 5 minute chart you can see out there it's creating a higher high. So we have some positivity right now to go moon, or to go to the upside. Absolutely. So I personally think that if you use that swing, of course, definitely it has been broken out of this previous high and creating another high. So of course, definitely we can have our range of support maybe in here, in that range. Okay. So what can I do? What can I do? And if I see this one, what's the swing size? From that range to that range, the size of the swing is like 30%. That's not a, I mean, 0.30%. That's not a bigger size. Not at all. But the question is it a successful breakout? Yes, of course. I personally think that that's a successful breakout. I personally think that. But what's next? After this breakout, it can be pulled back again. Like it can be come down and break down again that range. After breaking down, it can be come down, take support, and again go boom. Or it can be come down more downward, because we're already into a downward sentiment. You can see out there that downward channel has been broken out. We are into the 5 minute chart, and as per the 5 minute chart is showing us, we're exactly in a position that has been a breakout, and maybe it's a successful retest over there. And yeah, the target is not that much big. Okay, we don't have a bigger target over there. And if I go with that, if I think that, just hold a bit. If I think that that's a swing, just a bit. Okay, deleting that one. So if I think that it's a range of mosquitoes, $420, thank you so much for joining. Aliba, what's up? $2,500. But right now, what's the price of Ethereum? It's $2,515 is the price of per Ethereum. কেমন আছেন? By the way, as per we will wait for an absolute retest. Definitely we will wait for an absolute retest, because without that retest we should not go with anything. No, we should not go anything with anything. So we need to be wait and watch. We need to wait and watch. Absolutely. NCJ 112211, thanks for joining here, NCJ. And welcome back, everybody. Welcome to the session of live stream. Thank you so much for joining to the session of live. And welcome back, everybody. Welcome to the session. Okay, I was actually checking the sound quality, by the way. And Bitcoin, Ethereum, both are pumping good. We need to wait for a proper entry. Absolutely. We need to wait for a proper entry, of course. If I go with the 15 minutes chart, not the 30 minutes, by the way, I'm gonna go to the 15. I'm here with the 15 minute chart. I'm gonna close this one. Okay, 15 minute chart doesn't have shown us any kind of, yes, just trust me, bro. it has not been shown us any kind of what can I say, correction. It maybe go there and it can come at least 50% downward to create a correction, and again it can pull back. But without correction or without any kind of higher low, yes, it has been made some higher low, by the way. Just it has been made some higher low. If I see here by the RSI has been told us we don't have any kind of what can I say, discrepancy or what can I say, diversification here. We don't have any divergence, by the way. We don't have any divergence by the RSI in the top side, and in the downside it has been created, and what can I say, RSI bullish divergence over there. So what's next? Actually, you cannot say that these are a correction. That is a correction. I'm waiting for the market for an absolute chain correction, of course, definitely, and I'm gonna go with that one. If I use this Fibonacci retracement over there, we will have our, what can I say, support over there. Am I right? Yes, of course, we have our support in that zone. That's a golden pocket area, and that's 50%. I mean, half of the market. I mean, most of the time market take correction from 50%. Is the policy of the market. Market always goes with the correction. Never it directly goes. It directly never goes directly to the upside. Well, Levi has been still joined to the session of live stream. Levi is joining a lot more time, by the way. But must make sure you guys do comments, because if you are not doing comments, I'm losing my motivation. So never make me lose my motivation, please. I'm giving you the best of the best market analysis, so I am waiting for your comments. And of course, if you are new here for the first time, do follow me. Motivation, please. Do follow me, okay? And this is about the Bitcoin. Yes, at the 15-minute chart, I'm currently not trading over that price. I'm waiting for a correction. It may come to that price level, or that can be like 104k, 136. That can be good price or good lower price to buy more Bitcoin. And definitely you just have your target over there and put your stop loss just below to that swing low. Helen 589 joins to the live stream. Helen, get user CE66B12C joins to the live stream. Aisha House joins to the live stream. And get user CE66. Okay, get user 393 something. Okay, Pi Command Center. What's up? What about Pi Network? Let me check it out. I need to check out the Pi coin, of course. I'm gonna go with the Pi. Pi USDT dot perpetual wallet. Is that available on perpetual wallet? Yes, Pi is available on perpetual wallet too. Shakura 3434. What's up, Shakura? How's your day going, Shakura? Anissa. Hey, Anissa. Well, I can see out there Pi USDT, and I'm gonna go to the 15 minutes first of all. It's important to go there in the 15 minute chart. Ramzan Khan 7068 joins to the live stream. Hey, Ramzan Khan, everybody joining here to the session of live stream. Thank you so much for enjoying and joining to the session of live stream. And make sure you do not forget to hit that react button and comment here in the comment section. Pape008 joins to the session of live stream. Pape, what's up, Pape? Okay, I'm gonna here with the Pi USDT. You can see over there Pi has been broken out. Yes, right now at the 15 minute chart, we can see over there Pi, as per the Pi has been broken out. That doesn't mean that it has been gone bullish again, because it was failed to create a higher high. It's still going like higher low. It's still a higher low, and it's still from that range to that range. That's a higher low. So both are still higher low, by the way. Crypto 9x joins to the live channel. Get user 3C30F9D3D. Thank you so much for joining here. And if you have any question to ask, guys, just let me know. Do not forget to say me. Okay, do not forget to ask me. Always ask me if you have any question to ask. Helen 589, thank you so much. And Insert Coin, what's up, Insert Coin? Thank you so much for joining here. So I will say Pi is bearish. Always go with the trend. So do not long Pi. I will definitely say short Pi. I'm waiting for going long on Bitcoin. I'm waiting for going long on Ethereum. But in the Pi coin, I'm not gonna wait for it. Let the Pi do what it is gonna go do. I will definitely wait. And Insert Coin, thank you so much for joining here. Okay, that's about Pi. And I'm gonna go to the coin glass to see what's the... Okay, first of all, coin market cap. Let's see coin market cap in here. We can see how the fear and greed indexes come back to down to the neutral sentiment. What about crypto analysis? What's they are saying, by the way? Oh, not that one. This one. My goodness, what's that? How much people are watching to the session of live stream? Just let me go to the live channel here. It's like 68 people are watching to the session of live stream. Insert Coin, you have been joined here. Thank you so much for joining here. Insert Coin, get user E487F920 joins to the live channel. Thank you so much. Khairul Islam, Khairul bhai ki obostha? Khairul bhai comment korte hobe to bhai, comment na korle kemne ki? Okay? So yeah, I can see over there. So TRB, who has been created long positions, they have been got liquidated, by the way. Okay, TRB got liquidated a lot. The long positions got liquidated like 319, and short positions got liquidated like something like 22k. BlackRock, what's up, BlackRock? Thank you so much for joining here. If you have any question to ask, just let me know, BlackRock. I love BlackRock, and of course, Michael Saylor's company. Yeah, MicroStrategy. I love these companies because they are ETF. They do buying on it ETF. They do ETF buying, so that's why the market is still running on. Okay, and we can see out there Kaya07 joins to the live channel. Kaya, what's up? Bassett 68 joins to the live stream. Get user 46043828 joins to the live stream. BlackRock joins to the live stream. Everybody joining here. Thank you so much, by the way. And do not forget to hit that follow button over there. That's important. And also, you can put some react over there. That gives me more motivation, okay? La 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 la. Tonight we only get on the floor. I know you gotta keep your hands on the floor. So, but I'm not gonna buy high. I'm gonna buy from the low and sell the high. Always remember that buy low, sell high. That will be make you profitable. That's important. Every single time buy low and the sell high. And it has not been broken out, though it's still that one, but it has been broken out this price. So of course, definitely we have some chances, like if it's coming down and it will again break out, and of course creating a higher high. This is how the market can go moon. Yes, it has that possibility to do that. Insert coin Istanbul joins to the live channel. By the way, Barack Lee joins to the live stream. Brit Lee. Hey, Brit Lee. What's up? Nothing Beyond joins to the live channel. Thank you so much for joining here. Nothing Beyond. Get user E487F920. Thanks for joining here. User F6 8080D0 joins to the live stream. Thank you so much for joining to the session of live stream. Ivan Khan joins to the live channel. And Bahuan joins to the live channel. Thank you so much for joining here. And let me go check it out, that prices of the other coins. Of course, definitely you can see out there fart coin who have been created short position on fart coin. They have been got liquidated on $202. And I'm gonna go to the fart coin. As par, I am ignoring Pi network, of course. As par, I'm ignoring Pi network. I'm gonna go have the fart coin. And fart coin COIN, of course, definitely fart coin dot perpetual wallet, of course, definitely. So fart coin USDT dot perpetual. If I go a little bit downward, where is the get IO platform? Oh my goodness, I cannot find it out there. Fart coin USDT overall. And if I go with the USDT, and of course, definitely we can find out that the get IO's price of Fastcoin USDT, of course. And I'm gonna open up the price of the get IO, and you can see out there, yes, Fartcoin has been created in a higher high, of course, definitely. And you can see out there from that range to that low, if you can see that it has been created a massive divergence. Of course, that's a bigger divergence by the 15-minute chart. So the divergence has been created. That means that given us some signal that we have some bullish potential right now. So what about the volume? Yes, you can see over there volume has been pumped well also. Area at that price, just never forget to buy this coin. Price level over there. Yes, I need to wait for the fat coin to come down to the price. It will take a massive time. I personally think that how much candle it has been took. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So if it is coming down 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So if it's the 8th candle or 9th candle, you can have see that from that range the market will do pump back again, because as I have been told you, it's the golden pocket area, and market will definitely take support from that golden pocket area, of course, definitely. And we will take our first take profit over there. And if I go with that golden pocket area, of course, definitely we can have our first take profit at 2.34%. And our second take profit will be like 6.31%. Massive, that one. The third take profit will be like more than 10%. I'm gonna have my stop loss just below to that swing low. If it is coming below to that swing low, definitely it will be a change of character, absolutely. But I personally think that I'm not preferring, or I'm not gonna say that it will create it will definitely break down and create. I mean, I'm not saying that it will break down, create a breakdown, and of course it can go for a change of character. And if a change of character happens, that will be, you know what I'm meaning. That means Fartcoin will go more downward. So we're gonna have like 10:5 or 10:4 or 10:3 risk to reward ratio by the Fartcoin. Absolutely. Get user AE29D804. Thanks for joining here. Back. I personally think that Fartcoin need to take a retest, and I'm gonna wait for that retest, or I'm gonna wait for a correction. Small correction, bigger profit we can have. I'm gonna add some price level over the price. Maybe there you will get that watt coin at 1.0727. Maybe it will take some time, like 1 or 2 hours or 3 hours. Depends on the whales or the traders who are actually booking profits or not. If people are booking profits over there, that has been broken out already, and I must say, of course, a healthy correction is required, and if it is coming down there, that will be absolutely unhealthy correction, of course, for the fart coin holders, by the way. Okay, how much people are watching to the session of live stream? Just let me zoom it more in. 17 people are watching to the session of live stream. Thank you so much for joining here. And restore connection have been lost at connection, by the way. What about Ethereum? As per I have been told you, well, we can see out there Ethereum has been pushing back again. Ethereum is back to the position, of course. Definitely Ethereum is pushing back again, though it has not been broken out. It has been broken out this previous high, smaller that one. That was not a bigger high, but of course it is. And if it is breaking out this one, that will be more confirmed that Ethereum is bullish. And what can you see? Can you see the candle of Bitcoin? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bitcoin candle. What's up? $105K as Fartcoin. If I go zoom it in, that will be maybe, yes, you have been seeing that it has been also a giant candle over there, but I'm not gonna go for a high, never ever, though market has been reclaimed bullish, but I need to wait for a proper entry. Okay, Winda Hartatik joins to the live stream. Thank you so much for joining here. Shakura 3434 joins to the live stream. Paroto joins to the live stream. Psycho 71 joins to the live channel. Thank you so much. 72, not it's 71, it's 72, by the way. And as I've been told you, we are gonna go short from that price. If I go with that fart coin, definitely from that range, not short. I'm gonna short here. It's a bullish trend has been started. A new bullish trend has been started. The market will be pumped back sooner or later. Absolutely. So yeah, I'm gonna do one thing, that is wait for the market to be pushed back again. So I'm gonna wait for the market to come down and push back again. When it will be come down, I will buy the low. I'll buy the low price. Absolutely, I will. But from that higher percent, I mean higher range, I'm not gonna buy it, man. Wednesday show. And financial markets currently are pricing in a Fed interest rate cut in September, with a second one to follow in December. Trump elevated Powell to the post of Fed chair during his first term, but quickly fell out with him over his interest rate decisions. He has said he wants to see him gone from the central bank, though he has also said he has no intention of trying to fire Powell. So Trump is not firing Powell, but he is actually saying Powell to cut the interest rate or lower the interest rate, actually. Okay, Ahmed BNB, what's up, BNB? By the way, the Section C has been established a case on, what can I say, on Binance and CJ. It's a police case, law. It has been done today. Yes. Just gonna show you. I'm just gonna tell you that SEC drops a case actually, and SEC drops a case against Binance and CJ. Okay. Well. GR Meister, what's up? Ivan Khan joins to the live channel. Thank you so much for joining here. And KK Loves Pie joins to the live stream. Zuiling joins to the live channel. And everybody joining here to the session of live stream, thank you so much for joining here and joining to the session of live stream. Well, coming a little bit downward, but the possibility, but the possibility of a firing has unsettled financial market that bank on an independent Fed's ability to do its job without political interference. Those fires were, partly alleviated last week after a Supreme Court ruling in a pair of cases testing Trump's ability to fire the leaderships of other independent government agencies signaled the central bank may be treated as a special case. Those shares cannot be terminated at will. Powell last met with Trump in November 2019 during Trump's first term in a 30-minute meeting also attended by then Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin. It is Powell's first presidential visit in 3 years, and the last one was with Joe Biden and Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen at the White House. Powell has said that such meetings are always at the request of the president and never the other way. So that's about the that's about the conflict between Trump and Fed's chairman Powell. Get user, is the streamer bullish or bearish? Right now, currently it's bearish, man. It's not. It's man. You are woman. By the way, what's up? From which country you are? Let me know. What's your country's name? And maybe you are from China. Your language is looking like Chinese language, but I don't actually understand Chinese. It's not. It's man. You are woman. By the way, what's up? From which? Okay, I was checking the sound quality of my live session. By the way, this is about the Trump Simmons Federal Powell tells him, okay, this is about the conflict I have been told you. So what's next actually? How many people are watching to the session of live? So it's 17 federal rate cut expectations. So what's the expectation actually? Federal rate cut expectation in just let me check it out, the chat GPT. Let me ask chat GPT that what's the expectation right now. Okay, chat GPT. So much sounds are coming from the outside of my house. So much sound is coming from the outside of my house, by the way. And it has been stopped right now. They are drilling actually. They are drilling in the wall, by the way. Outside of my house. So much sound is coming from the outside of my house, by the way. Okay, let me search here. Let me search here about that federal. Just let me copy that one. That Fed rate cut expectations. Today. Okay, just let me ask the chat GPT. Let's see what's the answer from the chat GPT. Let me copy that one. That Fed rate rate cut expectations. Okay, by the way, it's the answer that is as of May 30, okay, 2025, the Federal Reserve has been maintained the federal funds rate rate at 4.25% to 4.50%, a level it has held steady since December 2024. While recent economic indicators suggest a cooling inflation environment, the Fed remains cautious about initiating rate cut in the near term. Inflation trends and economic indicators, the personal consumption expenditure PCE index, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, showed a year-over-year increase of 2.1% in April, marking its lowest level of 4 years. Core PCE, which includes volatile food and energy prices, rose by 0.1% month over month, bargaining the annual rate down to 2.3%, the lowest since March 2021. Additionally, consumer spending growth has declared, with inflation adjusted expenditure increasing by just 0.1% in April, and the personal savings rate rises to 4.9%. And Fed officials' perspectives, Federal Reserve official has expressed a measured approach to potential rate adjustment. Chicago Fed President, okay, this is the Fed President of Chicago. What's that indicated? Market expectation. Okay, despite Fed's cautious stance, financial market is anticipating to potential rate cut in September. Okay, traders have maintained bets on a September rate reduction. Okay, influenced by the recent cooling in the inflation. However, the Fed's March projection indicated a medium expectation of 2-quarter point cuts by the end of 2025, suggesting that any policy easing would be gradual. Okay, external pressures. Okay, Fed's, oh my goodness, what's that? There are some news over there. Trump tells Powell he's making a mistake not cutting interest rates. So actually the expectation is the downing, okay, going down, the actually reduce the rate cut. Okay, this is the expectation on the rate cut. Okay, by the way, if you are from the country of Bangladesh, just let me know your country's name. Do not forget to tell me about your country's name. Okay, that gives me more motivation when you do comment over there. Actually reduce the rate cut. Okay, this is okay. I was actually watching the sound quality of mine. Okay, the ChatGPT has been told me about that the Federation is actually reducing the rate cut, by the way. And what's about the Bitcoin 15-minute chart? Let me check it out. If I go with the swing goes like this. Okay, the past swing like 1.59%. Okay, what's the size of that swing? Just let me check it out. It was like 90%. Okay, let's see about the dominance. As I've been told you, it's time for the dominance to go up right now, so we can actually go short on other coins. By the Bitcoin, we can see out there if it's coming down over there, and it has been gone with this range. Okay, we can say that that's an ascending triangle over there. So what's next? If it is breaking out, if it is gonna break out, it may be do a fake out, because the dominance can be pumped right now. It's time for the dominance to be pumped. Bitcoin has been pumped. The dominance right now, it has been broken down from that what can I say, from that range. Yes, it has been broken down from that range, so maybe a pump is coming. Maybe if we go with that range, a pump is coming back over there. So if the dominance pumps, you know that altcoin go down. So what's next? I will go for the searching for the altcoins right now. So which coin should I go for long right now? CoinGlass. Let me check it out. CoinGlass. Let me go to the coin glass over there. And let's see Ethereum, who has been created short position. They have been got liquidated like 1.45%. Got liquidated. Bitcoin, who have been created short position, who have been got like liquidated like 538. What's the crypto analysis says? I will go to that Ethereum right now. ETHUSDT dot perpetual wallet. Let's see what's the Ethereum is going like. I'm gonna launching the chart of Ethereum. So Ethereum chart is saying us, of course, definitely it's in a downward trend. You cannot reject that trend, of course. Definitely you cannot refuse that trend. Absolutely you can't. Okay, if you go with that one, this trend is going fluently like this. Okay, this trend is going fluently like this. So Ethereum is gonna go for a short position. I'm gonna go with that Ethereum. So yes, of course, Ethereum looks like we should go for a short on Ethereum. Definitely it has been a divergence to be created. So I'm gonna short Ethereum. If I short Ethereum, how much targets should I have? What should be the target? 1.07% target can be the first one. So Ethereum can be short at no cost. And what about the dominance? Dominance is gonna go pump back. It's fixed, man. It's fixed. Dominance is fixedly coming back, pumping back. So Ethereum should be down more. Okay, because we are in a trend which is at a downward trend. So Ethereum should be short. So what will be the target? I'm gonna short Ethereum from that price like 1610. I mean 2610. 2610 will be the short position to be open on Ethereum, as I'm into a divergence, of course. And I may go for my first target to like 2588 something dollars. Just a bit. Just a bit. Telegram. It's time for a short on Ethereum, okay? Definitely, we're gonna short Ethereum, of course. I'm shorting it on. I'm gonna open up my position for going short on Ethereum, absolutely. And that will be the short position from that range. I've been told you, like, I'm gonna short from there. And of course, we may have our stop loss just over it. 71%, and target will be like, yeah, that will be great. We can have our target like risk to reward ratio like 1.85. That's great. So it's time for a short on Ethereum. Okay, let's open up a short position on Ethereum. Just do not forget to hit that react button, and of course do see it's going to hit our targets. It's going to hit our targets. As I've been told you, dominance is gonna go pump back. It's time for the dominance to be pumped back again. Always remember that thing. It's time to be pumped back. See, it's pumping crazily, man. And Ethereum is dumping crazily. Oh my goodness, the price of Ethereum is 2599. Come on. Come on. Come on. Gonna go like crazily hitting our targets like hi. Dum, 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 dum. To become dum, 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 dum. USDT dot perpetual. Let me go to the perpetual wallet of TRB. Come on. Why I can't find the TRB? TRB USDT dot perpetual. Sorry, that's not comma perpetual. It will be dot perpetual, of course. In the dot perpetual wallet, I'm gonna get that TRB USDT tailored searches. Okay, I've got that one. What's the price looking like? It's in a downtrend, of course, definitely. It's Taylor. TRB is looking like Taylor. Okay, TRB liquidation is like short positions are getting liquidated. Long positions are getting much more liquidation. Oh my goodness! What about Ethereum is coming like? Oh my goodness! Dominance is pumping. So dominance is an uptrend. Absolutely. The Bitcoin. What about the move of Bitcoin right now? Oh my goodness, it has been fixed in a position. Okay, coming downward. That's okay. So you can see how the TRB is looking like this in the 5 minutes chart. So need to ignore this one too, because this chart is not looking like familiar to me. Okay, Alish Basso, Alish Basso, sir, thanks for joining here. What about other coins? You just have an eyes on Ethereum. Okay, you just have an eyes on Ethereum. We're still in a profit. If you get that price back again, like 2006 to 26 something, okay, 2610 something here, just make sure you do short on Ethereum. Just eyes on Ethereum. Okay, eyes on Ethereum. Have an eyes on Ethereum. What about the dominance? Yes, dominance maybe pump more. What about Bitcoin? Bitcoin, it's trying to break out the symmetrical triangle. If I go with that, of course, here we can see over there range to that range. Of course, it's in a trend, uptrend. Okay, like it's in a bearish divergence. Of course, the divergence is actually into it. And if I go with this one to that one, okay, that one, okay, that's a smaller divergence by this range too. So we both are into a divergence, absolutely, in from here. So market can be, of course, if I go with this one, yes, we are having like market can be pushed back to that range, or or nothing else. Okay, market can be get back touching that range or breakout, and after coming it can become more downward. And what about Ethereum? So Ethereum can be pulled back from that price, and other altcoins will definitely do the same shit. Not the shit, by the way. And this is the analysis, man. This is my analysis, so it has to be done. So Bitcoin can become down, Ethereum can become more downward. Okay, eyes on Bitcoin, eyes on Ethereum. We're shorting on Ethereum, and let's see if I have any other good coins over there. Nairo ETH, all the long positions who has been created long positions, they have been got liquidated, like Nairo ETH, RPL Flock. What about ENA? Okay, ENA long positions got liquidated a lot. Let me go with that ENA, and let's see if I have any other good coins over there. Nairo ETH, all the long positions who has been created long positions, they have been got liquidated, like Nairo ETH, RPL. I was actually checking my sound quality was perfectly coming to the session or not. Okay. Oh my goodness, you cannot resist these coins, man. It's coming down, down, and down. All the coins are shorting crazily. It's coming down crazily. No swings. You cannot say that those are the swings. Nah. Come on. Right now, trading on Bitcoin and Ethereum is safe. Don't trade on other coins, because other coins chart are not looking good. Just eyes on Ethereum, okay? Just eyes on Ethereum. Okay, Ivan Khan joins to the live channel. Get user 86CA7156 joined to the live stream. Thank you so much, everybody. Magnet 2023 joins to the live stream. Alexa Ross joins to the live stream. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining and enjoying to the session of live stream. And if you have any question to ask, just let me know, because we are shorting on Ethereum and we are making profits right now. We are into the profit. Gerali, what's up, Gerali? How's your day? Okay, I'm making a phone call right now. Just a bit more wait you can do, and you can have your eyes on Ethereum. If you get that Ethereum back again to that price, just do not forget to buy it. Okay, sorry, you do not forget to sell it. Okay, and if you miss that sale, of course, just wait for the market to push back again. And if it is not pushing back, okay, we're gonna hit our target, and you have been missed that trade. Just give me a moment, I'll be back. Okay, BRB, be right back. I'm gonna write there that be right back. Wait and enjoy printing money. Session of live stream. I'm back again. Okay, I just need to be change that text over there and right there. Oh, sorry, what's that? I'm gonna write here that wait. Sorry, not this one. All looks good. So that's about Ethereum trade, and I have been told to go short on Ethereum. And what about ENA? You can see out there is coming as per the Ethereum is coming downward. All other the altcoins are doing the same shit. All other altcoins are doing the same shit over there. And I have been nothing seen, of course. It has been a bullish divergence over there, a bigger bullish divergence. That's why the market has been gone upside. The market has been gone upside because of the bullish divergence, but right now, currently the trading range, I mean, it's going downward. And what about the Bitcoin? See, as I've been told you, Bitcoin is ready to dump. Okay, as I've been told you that thing. And what about ENA? Okay, ENA has been dumped a lot, already been broken down. So I'm not going to trade in this type of coins right now. Let me find out some more. 1000 PP. It has been gone, like long position got liquidated like $431. Short got liquidated 95. Let's see 1000 PP. PP USDT dot perpetual. Is that perpetual wallet is here on the get IO? Get IO. Yeah, I've got that. So PP is looking like in trading in sideways, of course. Definitely you cannot resist, of course. This is the sideways market right now for the PP. Yeah, of course this is. So it's confusing. Okay, only Bitcoin and Ethereum looks good to do trade, but other altcoins, damn, it's absolutely confusioning us. Okay, gay under worse. Gay under worse. What type of name is this, buddy? By the way, welcome to the session of live stream, and thank you so much everybody for joining and enjoying to the live stream. तेरी हर बात है दिल में बस तुम तक, तेरी हर बात है दिल में बस तुम तक, तभी तुम तक. Okay, by the way, thanks for giving some reactions. Of course, definitely never forget to hit that reactions more and more. Magnet 2023, thank you very much for joining here to the session of live stream. And let's get back to that crypto analysis over there. And Bitcoin dominance, you can see out there today it was like 63 point. The dominance has been increased from the previous day. It was 0.312%, and of course market cap is looking like today it is like $3.32 trillion. Yesterday it was like $3.4 trillion, and it has been changed like minus 2.250% market cap has been changed. And total volume, if you have been seen, the volume has been increased like 11.631%, and today it was like $144.96 billion. Yesterday it was like $129.86 billion. And inflows, if you see the inflows, I've been told you to sell Ethereum. It's coming down. Ethereum is coming downward crazily. And Saratao joins the live stream. Dogbite joins the live channel. And users 8CE65A23 joins the live stream. Thank you so much for enjoying to the session of live stream. तेरी हर बात दिल में बस तुम तक. KM Nair, thank you very much for joining here. It's almost touching. It's almost touching, buddy. तेरी हर बात दिल में बस तुम तक, तेरी हर बात दिल में बस तुम तक, तुम तक तुम तक तुम. PPV MSK joins to the live stream. Thank you so much everybody for joining here. La 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 la. तेरी हर बात दिल में बस तुम तक तुम तक तुम तुम. Gonna go like crazily hitting our targets like hi. तुम तक तुम तक तुम. That's not comma perpetual, it will be dot perpetual, of course. In the dot perpetual wallet, I'm gonna get that TRB USDT tailored searches. Okay, I've got that one. What's the price looking like? It's in a downtrend, of course, definitely. It's Taylor. TRB is looking like Taylor. Okay, TRB liquidation is like short positions are getting liquidated. Long positions are getting much more liquidation. Oh my goodness! What about Ethereum is coming like? Oh my goodness! Dominance is pumping. So dominance is an uptrend, absolutely. The Bitcoin, what about the move of Bitcoin right now? Oh my goodness, it has been fixed in a position. Okay, coming downward, that's okay. So you can see how the TRB is looking like this in the 5 minutes chart. So need to ignore this one too, because this chart is not looking like familiar to me. Okay, Alish Basso, Alish Basso, sir, thanks for joining here. What about other coins? You just have an eyes on Ethereum. Okay, you just have an eyes on Ethereum. We're still in a profit. If you get the